Hey, 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 I told you part 2 is coming. Here we go. This is how we wrapped up salsa making. See you soon. Okay, so we are going to try the salsa. I don't really follow a recipe, honestly. So this is about the only way you can tell how it tastes and if it's gonna kill you or not. This one, just judging by the smell of it, it might possibly kill us. Oh, I'm trying it first? I gotta my gum.
Ladies first.
All right. I'm afraid.
See, now our goal is to hold it together long enough that I try it and then go ballistic.
It's not that bad. It's got a lot, it's not in your face heat. It's got a lot of backdoor heat. It's not too bad. I'm gonna take a lot of the stuff, so.
And you need more salsa mix.
Mm-hmm.
More flavor. It's got plenty of heat, it just needs the flavoring.
Yep. That's what it needs.
Let it cook down some more and then maybe a dab of sugar.
Yeah. The hot or the regular?
Regular.
Okay. That's why we buy the packets too.
You out of that?
Mm-hmm. It's all in there. It actually wasn't blow your face off. So that was kind of nice. I last summer made a blow your face off one that I almost gagged when I tried that one. That one was pretty bad. But these weren't bad. So.
There's not much ingredients in them.
Mm-mm. But it's cheaper to buy them like this than separate. I priced it out. So there's no reason to buy them. Buy the packet. It's cheaper than actually having to buy everything. Anyway, we're gonna let this guy get going. Basically, it needs to come to a full boil, and then boil for 15 minutes, and then it is ready to hot pack. So we will see you when we are ready to pack these things into jars. Bye, guys. Okay, so we are getting ready to do the salsa, and honestly the only tool that I think you guys have never seen before is my little funnel thing. I don't think you've seen the funnel before, but we are going to fill all of our salsa into regular mouth jars. I think we did all pints this time just because they travel better. Brandon takes them with him. The cool thing about this funnel is it actually is a ball canning funnel. What it has is it has like basically a smaller section that fits inside the regular and then a larger section that fits inside the wide. And basically what you do is if you're using the regular mouth, you fill to the very bottom of the funnel. And if you're doing the wide mouth, you fill to the very bottom of the wide mouth line. So it's just really easy to make sure you have the correct headspace on all of your canning products. We did let this boil for about an hour, a lot longer than I said I was going to. I know I said 15 minutes. We decided after we turned off the video that we wanted to have a bit thicker of a salsa. So we let it boil for a while just to get a little thickness to it. But like I said, 15 minutes is all it actually needs. After that, you can go ahead and you know, jar it up and all that good stuff. But it's totally up to you. Alrighty. So there we have it. We're counting up our jars, seeing how many we got. So yeah, we did pretty good. Okay, so back outside to our outdoor processing setup. What's nice is these hold 8 pints apiece, so we had 16 pints, so we were able to just do 2 water baths, which was fabulous. So processing salsa is a bit different than processing pickles or anything like that because it has to actually be water bath for a lot longer. Now, if we had a pressure canner, basically you cut the times in half. So because this is a water bath, we are doing 40 minutes for the pints. Once you get to that rolling boil, and you're going to see that shortly. Okay, so normally I would turn off the sound on the video. 6:40, we've waited 5 minutes, but I want you to hear this. So unlike pickles, we're only processed for 14 minutes. Because these are processed for so long, pop's gonna be instant for a while. having seals. Yeah, there's 2 left. So what'd you guys think? Yeah, that's how fast salsa seals. It's kind of amazing. But yeah, so that is our salsa. That's how we normally make it. The spiciness does kind of depend on what's going on, but generally that's our salsa. It's super easy. Everyone should cheers to try making salsa at least once in their life. If you have any questions or anything, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. That way we can chat a little bit more about it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.